While shifting focus to Telangana, the Enforcement Directorate launched extensive raids across 8 locations in Hyderabad in what is now infamous as a Rs 700 crore alleged scam in the sheep distribution scam when the previous BRS government was in power. While searches were conducted as part of a wider money laundering investigation under the PMLA or the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, examining the money trail of suspected beneficiaries, middlemen and others linked to the government's sheep rearing development scheme. The raids targeted premises of G. Kalyan, who served as the OSD to the Animal Husbandry Minister Talasani Srinivas Yadav, and also Ramchandra Nayak, who was the Director of Telangana's Livestock Development Agency. While the Anti-Corruption Bureau of the ACB has already arrested 17 people, in connection with the case. My colleague Uma Sudhir brings us more on this.
The sheep rearing and distribution scheme was something that was started as a welfare initiative by the KCR government in 2017. The Comptroller Auditor General as well as FIRs registered by the Telangana Police suggest a huge scam amounting to more than 1,000 crore rupees. The Enforcement Directorate has also booked cases, and after raids this week, what they have found is that there were incriminating documents, bank accounts, blank checkbooks, all of that relating about 200 mule accounts to the scam. Mule accounts are dummy bank accounts where there is no real person, but there are fictitious bank accounts into which money had flown. And what one must also point out is that these bank accounts have also been linked to to an online betting scam, and also saying that many of these so-called vendors did not exist or they were not involved in any kind of a sheep rearing business, and therefore the Enforcement Directorate believes that they have been able to take this investigation forward with the kind of documents that they have been able to seize. Of course, the raids happened at the residence of the OSD of former Animal Husbandry Minister Talasani Srinivas Yadav.